Hey guys, it's Cutterup Rob here. I'm just doing a little update on the race truck engine. So we finally got all the parts I need to put it back together. It was actually in a video the other day when I was showing the 6.7 block, putting people on about a 6.7 block. But anyways, so I finally got all the parts to put the old girl back together, and just got to get after it. I got the oil squirters in there today, and then I got sidetracked. I had to go pick up some parts, but so camshafts in, pistons are all in, all that stuff. I just got to button the bottom end back together, and get the cylinder head cleaned up. So this engine, you know, like it's probably way more engine than I need, but you know, like I have the ability to build the engine, so might as well. So it has billet rods in it, stage 4 cam. It has Molly Motorsport pistons in it, big bowl, so 155s, and it's got a Seth Farrell 850cc 13 mil pump on it, with Haley Speed 518 injectors in it, with sack nozzles. And then I have, which is over here, which I still got to tear apart and clean just because it's been sitting apart for a while. And I got a Hamilton head for it, stage 2. Steed manifold, and I'm going to put, I sold the S472 that was on it, and I'm going to put a S366 SXE, and then I have an S500 588 SXE to put on it for the primary. So that should be a good setup, should work good, I think. But yeah. So that's just for the guys that haven't seen the other video. That's a little rundown on the engine. I just got to get it cleaned up, put it back together. So yeah, that's just a quick rundown on what I got going on with the race truck engine. You've probably seen in the background the Hellcat engine. I got a couple little more bits and pieces for it. Just got those little covers and stuff. Some parts on order for it. So hopefully in the next month or so, you guys will see a teardown video on that, because I'm going to tear it down and put a bunch of stuff in it, I think. Valve springs, push rods, camshaft, performance bearings, time and chain, oil pump. I'm going to go through it. I just want to make sure everything's good. I don't want to go through the hassle, put everything all in there, and then there'd be something wrong. It was a low mileage engine. The guy that I bought it from I trust, but, you know, just there again, I own an engine shop, so you want to make sure everything's good for the little bit of time it takes to do it. And then I can put some better parts in it, and that's also always a plus. So anyways, that's it for this short little video. I just wanted to give an update on what I had going on with the race truck engine. You'll see some more probably next week of that. I'll get the engine all back together. Hopefully we can get her back in there next week. So anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit me up in the comments if you got any comments or questions.